Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change your AOL account password. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a AOL.com and press enter. At the official web page of AOL, you can see login or join button. Click on login or join. First, you need to get logged into your account by providing username or registered email address or phone number. So go for it. Click on next. Now go in for providing your account password. Click on next. After you get logged into your account, you can see profile name or profile icon on top. Click on it. Click on account security. Under account security, you can see change password option. Click on change password. Now go in for providing a new password for your account. Click on continue. Your AOL account password has been successfully changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how easily you can change your AOL account password. Thank you.